Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer, tutorial 9, inserting a table into your presentation. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft PowerPoint. So we can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way onto the dock. Go to Finder, navigate to Documents, go to the PowerPoint folder, click on this. Now click on work.pptx, double click. Let's wait for that to load. Let's now minimize Finder for the moment, increase the size of the PowerPoint window. Go to the next slide where it says click to add text. We see a table sign. Let's click on this. And now it says number of columns, 5, number of rows. Let's change this to 5, insert. And there we go. There is the table now inserted to the PowerPoint slide. Let's just add something. Fruit. Price. Let's go to the next line. Apple, pear, watermelon, price, £5, £5, 5. And we can have a total if we wish to. Command S to save, and that's how you insert a table into your PowerPoint presentation slide. So we can now quit PowerPoint. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.